It's time for another Alveo tips and tricks. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to change the time frame of your chart. There are a few ways to do this. The first is by creating a new chart. Here's your time frame. You can select your different time frame here. The second is by right-clicking on your chart, scrolling down to periodicity, and you can choose your time frame here. And the last is right here. This is the easiest and quickest way. You click on your time frame and select your time frame here. And there you go. 3 different ways that you can quickly change your time frames. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one.
If you like this tip on Alveo and want to learn more, like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to understand more about Apiary Fund's proprietary trading platform, Alveo, Lucas holds an online class called Alveo Basic Training every Monday. Make sure to join him and get all your questions answered and get the most out of Alveo.